सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए.
Very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to start geometry. You see the page. Our first topic is angles made on straight line. Okay, what is this concept? Property number 1. Two angles are made here, angle A and angle B. What is their sum? A plus B is equal to 180 degree. What is the concept? Whenever two angles or three angles are made on a straight line, their sum will be 180 degree because line is straight. Okay, from this we have to solve first 6 questions in the exercise. Clear? Now let us see question number 3. In this question you see AOC means AC is straight line. What is written in book? In the given figure AC is straight line means you have to understand sum of angles in straight line is 180 degree. How many angles are here? Angle AOB is first angle, BOC is second angle. Okay, so x plus 25 and 3x plus 15, these are two angles. Now how to solve? See the solution now. Now check solution. Given AC is a straight line, angle AOB plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB, can you mark it on the figure? And BOC equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Reason you have to write in the bracket always in geometry. Angles made on straight line. Okay, x plus 25 is the value of AOB and 3x plus 15 is the value of BOC. After this line there is only simplification. You can see x and x together, constant and constant together, plus it, simplify. What is the value of x? X is 35, number 1. Number 2, you need AOB. AOB is how much? X plus 25. So 35 plus 25, 60 degree. Similarly, third number BOC. What is the value of BOC? 3x plus 15. 3x means 3 into x. X is how much? 35. Multiply plus 120. Like this you have to solve rest questions in the exercise. First 6 questions are based on concept property number 1, angles made on straight line. You have to plus all the angles and you have to write 180 degree. Clear? Next question, find y in the figure. Check in the figure how many angles are here. 3 angles are here. What is the concept? Since it is straight line, so all angles we will plus and we will write 180 degree. Okay, check. Y plus 150 minus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So minus x plus x will be cancelled. Y is left. Y plus 150 equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 30 degree. Since you see here two variables are used here, y and x, you plus it, simplify, and your answer will come. On which concept it is based? AC is a straight line. Clear? Question is same, straight line. First angle is P, then Q, then R. Now what is given? That all three are equal. So P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. We can write very easily. Up to here there is no problem. Now you see solution. First line is okay. P is equal to Q is equal to R given in the book. P plus Q plus R equal to 180 degree. Angles made on straight line. So P plus P plus P. Why? In place of Q we can write P. In place of R we can write P. Why? Because it is given that all three are equal. Similarly you can write Q plus Q plus Q or R plus or any one. So all three I have written here to make you understand. So 3P or 3Q or 3R is equal to 180 degree. Therefore R is equal to 180 or Q is equal to R is equal to 60 degree, Q is equal to 60 degree, P is equal to 60 degree. Okay, the value are same. Without solving you can tell if all the three angles are same and total angle is 180 degree, what is the value of each. Okay, this is very simple for you. Check what is important here. Angle B is given A plus C. Okay, one angle is equal to the sum of rest two angles. Figure is clear. Straight line is there. You can check straight line. Three angles are made, A, B and C. What is the process? All three we will plus. Let us see in solution how to solve. Okay, solution. First line, b is equal to a plus c. What we know, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, angles made on straight line. Then a will remain a, then value of b, we will put the value of b a plus c. You can see on the diagram there is tick mark, b is circle, in place of b you will write a plus c. Like that you will see there is 2a and 2c. So 2a plus 2c equal to 180 degree. What is common? 2 is common. Now learn, if two things are common you can take it common. 2 is common, then bracket a plus c equal to 180 degree. So 2 will go that side, division. So a plus c is 90. If a plus c is 90, then b is also 90, because it is given a plus c is equal to b in the first line. You can see if a plus c is 90, therefore b is also 90. What is the concept behind this? If two or more than two angles are made on a straight line, their sum is 180 degree. Clear? Check next question. In the given figure, AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. It means perpendicular means they are making angle 90 degree where they are meeting. Okay. Now you see solution of this question very nicely. When AB is perpendicular, can you see the symbol? Check the symbol nicely. Perpendicular symbol I have written here. AB perpendicular to BC. In the bracket I have written AB is perpendicular. This is the symbol. Okay. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay. How many angles are made? 3 angles are made. 1, 2, 3. All 3 you will plus and you will write 90 degree. Why? Because perpendicular means 90 degree where they are making angle. So x together, number together, simplify. You will get x is equal to 8. One more important question is here, complement of x. Complement of x, 90 minus x. So 90 minus 8, 82 is our required answer. Okay, clear? Check question number 10. Write the complement of. Many questions are given in question number 10, subpart 1, 2, 3. What you have to do in this? Complement of. Whenever two angles are making 90 degree, they are known as complementary angle, and the name of first angle and the name of second angle is complement. Okay, so they are complement of each other. So if first angle is 30 degree, then next angle will be 60 degree, then two angles we will plus, how much will come? 90 degree. So here 30 degree is known as complement of 60. Okay, so question number 10.1 solution I have done for you. See solution. Complement of x plus 5, total degree is x plus 5 degree. So we will subtract with 90. All the question you have to subtract with 90 in question number 10 in simple language. So 90 minus x, so minus plus minus, so minus 5. So 90 minus 5, 85 minus x degree is our answer. Similarly, like question number 6 I have done for you. Find the complement of half of right angle. Half of right angle. Right angle means 90. 45. So complement of 45 is equal to 90 minus 45. 45 degree is our required answer. Is it okay? Check. Number 8, last, that I am going to tell you. Write the complement of 21 degree 17 minute. Okay, degree and minute. Question is very important, very special. See solution nicely. What I want to tell you in this, 90 degree first you have to change in degree and minute. So 89 degree plus 1 degree, 90 degree, 1 degree we can write 60 minute, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So 90 we can write 89 degree and 60 minute. So you have to subtract from 89 degree and 60 minutes. See the last line, as I have done the subtraction, is very easy. Minute with minute, degree with degree, it is our required answer. Clear all of you? I hope all of you have understood this. If not, watch the video again and try to solve it by yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.